Now, it's very important if you create a website, it's got to look good on a desktop, on a tablet, and especially these days on a mobile phone. So if we bring the website up, this is what it looks like on a desktop. What you can do to simulate approximately what it's going to look like on a mobile phone is you can kind of resize things. So I'll just do this. I'll just get rid of this rubbish in the background. So there's an approximation of what it's going to look like on a mobile phone. So here we are. That's on a desktop. Resize it to a mobile phone. And there's a couple of things that are different. For one thing, this Call Now button is displayed. That's a plugin we installed earlier. The menu on a mobile looks like this. On a desktop, it looks like this. So this is using what's called a responsive theme. If you remember, the theme we installed was something called Sydney, and that is a responsive theme. And what that means is a responsive theme will adjust the look and feel of the website depending on whether it's on a laptop or on a mobile phone. So on a mobile phone, you click here and there's your menu items. Whereas on a desktop, it looked like this. Also, we should be able to scroll down and just check everything's working as we hoped. So for instance, that slider, as you can see, it responds. So if I drag this so it's wider or narrower, everything responds. So that's what's meant by a responsive theme. So all of this work is down to the theme. If you've got a very old version of WordPress, a very old theme, you might find you've got a non-responsive theme, in which case it's not going to work too well on a mobile. It'll still work, but people might see tiny little pictures, and certainly Google won't be very impressed. Again, it's an SEO issue. If you want to get the best from SEO, you've got to make sure that you use a proper responsive theme, and also you've got to go and check it. And it's all very well looking at it on the screen like this, but what you've got to do is to go and get your mobile out, load it up on a mobile and indeed a tablet, and just make sure that everything's okay. So as I say, that looks good in this case on a sort of a mobile format, but I still need to check it on a real phone, and it looks fantastic on a desktop or a laptop.